That means school work. Alright guys, y'all keep saying to chase my Jeep. Why? Do y'all love seeing me doing this? I'm gonna race the Jeep, okay? Y'all guys be ready, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. He died. Come on, buddy. Not turned off. Hold up, guys.
Hey, Giselle, guess what?
What?
Even cars are melting.
I know that.
And that's why people put their cars inside. That's why people put their cars inside the garage.
People having heat stroke. Alright, there y'all go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, y'all cruising. Yo, y'all are cruising. That's not fair. You're just cruising. Come on. Never do that again or else I'm gonna beat you behind.